Hey folks, today is a good day. It's a good day because I'm going to be making something that brings back a lot of great memories for me. Potato pancakes. A couple years ago, Patti and I traveled to Poland. It seemed like no matter where we went to eat, potato pancakes were on the menu. We had them plain, with pierogies, and my favorite was sitting in a cafe outside looking at the Tatra Mountains, eating a plate of potato pancakes with a nice goulash topping. It was so good. Simple food, but absolutely incredible. Potato pancakes also takes me back to my childhood. My dad, who's of Polish descent, used to make potato pancakes once in a while. I used to watch him laboring over grating all those potatoes with a box grater, me totally anticipating what I was about to eat, and me every time being so disappointed. Because in my kid brain, when I heard the word pancake, I thought of something fluffy and sweet and delicious. Well, if you know potato pancakes, that's not them. They're crispy, savory, and delicious. Well, today I'm going to give it another try. I'm going to be making potato pancakes on my own. Last Christmas, a friend of mine gave me a cookbook. It's a cookbook from a Ukrainian restaurant called Veselka. It's in the New York's East Village. I found a really great recipe for potato pancakes in that cookbook. So that's what I'm going to be using today to make these potato pancakes. Let's see if I can make potato pancakes that live up to my memory of Poland. Let's get in the kitchen and make these potato pancakes. We are going to need potatoes, onions, a little bit of garlic. To bind this together, we're going to use some egg and flour, and to season it, pepper and salt. Okay, we're going to start by taking the onions and the garlic and putting it into a food processor. Click the lid and grind it up real well. We want this to be more or less a paste. I want the flavor of the onions and the garlic to shine through, but not necessarily the texture. That's looking good. All right, it's potato peeling time. Peel these as well as you like. If you like a little skin on there, go ahead and leave it on. All right, I'm going to be using a box grater to grate these potatoes. It has a large section, a small section, and a really fine plain section. We're going to use the small holes. Start grinding. Got a bunch of potatoes to grind up. But be careful for your fingers. Once they're all grated up, go ahead and put them in a bowl. To that bowl, add the onion and garlic. Crack an egg and put it in. Now we're going to season this up with a little bit of salt and pepper. Wash your hands, take off your rings, get your hand in there and start mixing these potatoes and onions and garlic up. Mix it really well. Now to thicken it, we're going to add a little flour. Keep adding flour until it's to the texture you want. I like a nice thick pancake texture. That's looking pretty good. Now spoon the potato mixture into some hot oil. This oil is about 325. Don't overcrowd it. Let it go for 3 or 4 minutes and check, and when it's brown and crispy looking, go ahead and give it a flip. The house is going to start smelling like potato pancakes at this point. Check them every once in a while just to see if they're ready to come out. I'm also making some pierogies for this lunch. When they're ready to come out, take them out with a slotted spoon or slotted spatula and put them on some paper towel to drain off any oil. This is good, plain, ethnic Polish food. Plate it really simply. Potato pancakes, pierogi, little bit of sour cream, and finish it with some green onions. That is looking good. And just like that, we've got potato pancakes. As I mentioned, my dad used to make these potato pancakes when I was a kid, and I never appreciated them back then, but my recent trip to Poland made me appreciate them a lot more. I used that cookbook that my friend gave me. It's a cookbook from a restaurant called Veselka. I believe it's in the East Village in New York. They got some really good Polish Ukrainian food there. So I used that recipe, but I put a couple things that I remember my dad doing. He used to grate those potatoes pretty fine. As a matter of fact, I think some of my relatives may have eaten a bit of his finger skin. I don't know, just saying. Think it's time for me to try these. Ooh. Here we go. Crunchy on the outside, creamy on the inside. I'm getting a bit of that onion there. I did put quite a bit of onion in, and it's just the right amount of salt. Now, try it with a little sour cream. That's pretty good too. As I remember, I think my mom or my dad used to like applesauce with their potato pancakes. Now, to try one of these pierogies. I made a video a year or so ago on how I make my pierogies. I have to admit though, I cheated here. I got these from the freezer section of my local grocery store. Really good. I gotta tell you though, today's gonna be a carb overload day for me. Those pierogies with the potato stuffing and, of course, potato pancakes. So good. So I was born and raised Polish. Both parents were Polish. Pretty proud of that heritage. They have a lot of good foods. When Patti and I visited Poland, we had a lot of good food there. I'll put a link in the description of a video I made of the music and food of Poland. Where your family's from. Do you have any favorite sort of foods you like making? Let me know in the comments. Just one more bite. Potato pancakes. I am so glad I finally got around to making them. It turned out pretty good. It brought back a lot of good memories. And thanks to my friend Michelle for giving me this cookbook, Veselka. Maybe one day I'll visit this place. I hear they're open 24/7 and lots of people love this restaurant. Thank you all for watching. I really appreciate it when you give me a like or comment below. And if you haven't subscribed yet, please think about doing it. I'd really appreciate it. I know you know this already, but I had a really good day today. Hope whatever you're doing, you're also having a good day. See you next time.